Assalamu alaikum friends. Today I am sharing a token which has a name binapit.com, and this is NFT based project that will give you more profit by playing games, by investing your money, and you can sell and buy this token by using a app that has name binapit. And friends, I will give you total explanation of this token. So let's start the video. If you are new on my channel, then subscribe it and press bell icon for the latest update. And the link of this token will be provided in the description. When you click on this, and that then you will get interface like that. Friends, first of all, you will get the benefit token like logo, and in the right side you will get two options like buy binapit and launch app. When you click on the buy binapit, you will get the like that website where you can see the PancakeSwap. This is exchanges websites, and the binapit token has been registered on this, and you can connect the wallet by simply clicking on the connect wallet button. And here is the option that you can use the wallet, MetaMask wallet, wallet connect, trust wallet, and many more. When you click on more, then you will see other wallet that are valid for the purchasing of this token. You have to just connect and purchase it. And friends, you can earn this token by playing games also, which will increase your profit. And friends, you will see this is NFT game platform and decentralized yield from applications. And friends, here you can see some social links like Telegram, Twitter, Instagram, and Docs. And when you click on this, you will get interface like that. When you click on Twitter, then you will get like that interface, and you can follow them for more updates वगैरह. And you can see the post what they have been recently done. And friends, here you can see also Instagram and docs. When you click on that, you will get a new tab and more information. And when we click on this, you will get the introduction like page. This is docs, and here cookies and reject all are accepted. Friends, here is the introduction of this token binapit.com. Binapit is a complete platform of digital creatures universe live on the Binance Smart Chain. This is an NFT based project. You can earn these tokens, be a pet token, by playing games, by investing money, and you can sell and purchase by using a application that has name binapit. Okay friends, when we scroll down this site, you will get the how to play. When we click on this, you will get more description like this. Binapit contract are developed on the Binance Smart Chain. The player will need to have nominal amount BNB cryptocurrency to pay for transaction fees. Here is a 5% transaction fees when you will sell or purchase token, and that was collected by the development team. Okay, when we scroll down our main site, here you can see binapit ecosystem details or explanation that binapit ecosystem is a perfect combination of NFT gaming and DeFi that enable user to have fun and earn profit simultaneously. Here you can earn a lot of profit from this site by investing money, by playing games. Here you can earn a lot of tokens, and when you sell out their tokens, you will get a profit. Okay friends, here the comprehensive ecosystem comprises of binapit RPG games, farming, NFT, marketplace, battle more than a games. Binapit also has a strong community helping players to investing activities to earn money from the game. Okay friends, I hope you will understand that you can earn a lot of profit from this token. Okay friends, when you scroll down our site, you will get 4 phases like NFT farming, play to earn, marketplace and deflation. When we want to see the more explanation about net NFT farming, then you can see on the screen, stake your dragon NFT at the farm and it will generate people any Bina pet tokens for you every block. And when you click on the play to earn, here you can see the more description about how can you earn by playing games. And here is a marketplace option that how you can buy sale through the launching app very soon. And here is a deflation explanation. 95% of the proper income is injected into the mining pool and 5% of the transaction fee goes to the developing team. Okay friends, here is 5% only that will go to the developing team and 95% of the proper income injected into the mining pool. When we scroll down this side, you will get the social link like Telegram, Twitter, Instagram and Docs. Here you can see more link of this site, and here is a Gmail where you can contact by the team of Binapit token. If you want to ask something about like any query, you can mail them and you will get the answer in the next 24 hours. I hope you get understand. If you have not subscribed yet, then subscribe it and press the bell icon. If you have any question, then you can ask in the comment box. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.